Part 14 of the Tips for Teachers series, Adding a Requirement to a Module. Adding a requirement to a module forces students to, at the very least, view an item, and at the most, to complete an assignment submission before they can move on in a module and in the course. It is a solid method for keeping students obliged to participate and moving at the correct pace. To add a requirement to a module, select the vertical ellipses at the upper right-hand corner of the module. Select Edit from the drop-down list. Below the title, lock date, and prerequisite details is a selection for requirements. Select a checkbox or check circle for 3 options. Students must complete all of these requirements. Students must move through requirements in sequential order, which is only visible when the latter option is selected. Students must complete one of these requirements. Below the specifications is a drop-down list. Select the first box on the left. You may choose one item from the list, which will vary dependent on what items you have available only within the module.
Select the box on the right. You may set the requirement as View the item, Mark as done, Submit assignment, or Score at least.
To add another requirement, such as another assignment, select the link below labeled plus Add Requirement. Repeat the steps for adding module items and participation requirements.
To remove requirements, select the X at the right of the row.
When you have finished adding all the items you require, select Update Module. They will be listed above the module in small, thin text.